And here we are, I'm back again. And you probably had an idea of what we were going to make today. We are going to make some daffodils for St. David's Day. And I will show you the way to do these. You can make a whole bunch for Mum to put in the windowsill if the snow has taken away all the live daffodils. Right, what do we need? We need a nice long pipe cleaner. We need some sticky tape. We need a pair of scissors. If you're really lucky, you might have one of these that cut different shapes. But you don't need it. If you're lucky to have it, that's good. We need a pencil, we need our ruler, and we need daffodil colored paper. So greens, yellows, maybe pinks, maybe white and orange for narcissi, whatever takes your fancy. The next thing you're going to need is to cut your paper into the right shapes. Now I've just done a thing to show you what shapes you're going to need. For my lesson, I'm going to use cutting it into 3, yes? So I need to have my piece of paper folded in half, folded in 3s, and my petal shape drawn and cut out. So I've done that. I've cut myself 2 sets of 3 because daffodils have 3 petals. This daffodil is made with the 6-pointed shape for the petals. This daffodil is made with 2 of these. So 3 of these. Now we need something for the trumpet, and that's a round shape, and I didn't show you that one. So we have our piece of square paper. We fold it in half any way you like. You can fold it on the triangle or you can fold it on the rectangle. It makes no difference. You fold it in half, you fold it in half again, you fold it in half again. Then you use something round to draw a curve. So you can do it freehand, it's easily done. Or you can use a cup or a glass or something like, or if you want to be really fancy, a little bit of string held here and tied around your pencil. You pull the string tight and you draw, and it will make an arc. And Mom's math, circles, all this kind of thing. So I'm just going to make a rough circle here. I'm going to use my fancy little scissors to snip the edge. Ooh, it's a little bit blunt. And now when I open it up, I should have a kind of circular shape. So I have done that. For my purposes, for my flower, I cut my paper into 10.5 centimeter squares. That's just my A4 paper folded in half and then cut into squares. And it makes it easier to work with. So I've cut my 2 petals out and I've cut my circle out. Now to make a trumpet, what I need is I need to fold my circle a little bit so it would make a cup shape. Oh, I'm wearing the right color clothes for this for once. So I'll just use a little bit of sticky tape and stick it. You can use a glue stick and just glue that little joint together. Doesn't show up very well, but that's what you want. If you want to be really fancy, you can use your scissors, don't poke your eyes out, and you can curl the edge of your paper around so it curls over just a smidgen the way a daffodil does. What you could do also is maybe just snip it and then it'll curl in little snips, but I like it this way. Now see, I've got a hole in the center. I also need a strip of green paper, just a narrow one. Fold it in half. Fold it before you cut it out, then it's easier. And this needs to be cut into a leaf shape. So I start a little bit broad at the bottom here, and I go towards the edge, and I go up the way until I have a leaf shape like that. So now I have the component parts of my flower. I've got the big leaf, I've got the petals, and I've got the central trumpet. All I need now is a stem. So what I do here, mind the jagged end. I just curl it over a little bit, like that, and then I bend it, like that. And then I thread my flower on. So on goes the trumpet, and on goes the petals, and I put them that away so that the gaps are filled in, because that's the shape of daffodils if you look at them. Pull them together just like that, and whoopsie daisy, I have a daffodil. So you can bend it a little bit so that the trumpet sits nicely. And to keep it where it should be, just a small smidgen of sticky tape, just to stop it from sliding back down. Just like that. You can bend it, and then we have our long leaf, and we fasten it onto our stem, just where we find the pleasing spot. And before you can say the cat had kittens behind the coal stove, you have a lovely daffodil. And now you can make lots of bunches of these. Do enjoy and have fun. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.